A stunning gemstone-embellished jewelry set from Temu has caught our attention. This elegant ensemble features a necklace and earrings adorned with red and clear crystals, perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any special occasion outfit. Upon unboxing, the set immediately impresses with its appearance. The red and clear crystals sparkle beautifully, especially when caught in the light. The alloy material gives the pieces a premium look, combining elegance with a subtle vintage charm. This set strikes a balance between being eye-catching and versatile, suitable for formal events or a nice dinner out. The quality of this jewelry set exceeds expectations for its price point. The craftsmanship is noteworthy, with well-placed rhinestones, no visible glue marks, and a polished metal finish. The pieces have a satisfying weight, feeling substantial without being cumbersome. The earrings are designed for comfort, allowing for extended wear without irritation. In terms of fit, the necklace sits perfectly on the neck, neither too long nor too short. It complements both dresses and more formal attire nicely. The earrings are proportioned well, adding just the right amount of sparkle without overwhelming the wearer. Together, they create a statement look that remains tasteful and not overly flashy. Durability appears to be a strong point for this set. After multiple wears, there are no signs of fading or loose stones. The jewelry maintains its initial appeal, though as with any similar pieces, it's advisable to avoid exposure to water and perfumes to ensure longevity. Customer feedback for this jewelry set has been overwhelmingly positive. Many buyers praise its quality, finishing, and stylish appearance. These reviews align well with our own observations, confirming that the set consistently meets or exceeds expectations. In conclusion, this gemstone-embellished jewelry set from Temu offers exceptional value. It combines elegance, style, and quality craftsmanship at an affordable price point. Whether for personal use or as a gift, this set is a worthwhile purchase for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour to their jewelry collection.